Welcome to this tutorial on solving the power set problem using bit manipulation. This is a classic coding interview question that tests your understanding of binary numbers and subsets. By the end of this video, you will understand how to generate all possible subsets of a set using a simple and elegant bitwise approach. First, let's define what a power set is. A power set is simply the collection of all possible subsets that can be created from a given original set. This includes the empty set, which contains no elements, and the original set itself. The key rule to remember is that if your original set has n elements, the power set will always contain exactly 2 raised to the power of n subsets. For example, a set with 2 elements produces 4 subsets. So, why do we use bit manipulation for this? The intuition comes from how computers represent data. Binary numbers consist of zeros and ones. We can use this binary nature to represent the state of an element in a subset. A 0 can represent excluding an item, and a 1 can represent including it. This binary choice perfectly maps to the structure of subsets. Let's visualize this mapping. Imagine we have a set with 3 elements. A, B, and C. We can assign each element to a specific bit position in a binary number. Index 0 corresponds to the first bit, index 1 to the second bit, and so on. If the ith bit is a 1, we include the element at the ith index. If it is 0, we leave it out. In this example, the binary pattern 101 tells us to include A and C, but exclude B. Here is a complete table showing the pattern for a set of 3 elements, X, Y, and Z. Since n is 3, we count from 0 up to 7 in binary. Notice how the binary representation of the counter variable naturally generates every unique combination. 0, 0, 0 gives the empty set. 1, 1, 1 gives the full set. We don't need recursion, we just need to count. Let's break down the algorithm into 4 steps. Step 1, calculate the total number of subsets, which is 2 to the power of n. Step 2, create a loop that runs from 0 up to the total -1. Step 3, inside that loop, inspect the binary representation of the current number. Step 4, for every bit that is set to 1, add the corresponding element to your current subset. Here is the pseudocode for the implementation. We have an outer loop running I from 0 to total subsets. Inside, we have an inner loop, j, running from 0 to n. The core logic happens in the if condition. We perform a bitwise AND operation between I and 1 left shifted by j. This checks if the jth bit of I is turned on. If it is, we add the element at index, j, to our subset list. Now for the complexity analysis. The time complexity is big O of n times 2 to the power of n. This is because we generate 2 to the n subsets, and for each subset, we iterate n times to check the bits. The space complexity is big O of n to store the current subset being generated, assuming we print them immediately and don't store the entire power set in memory at once. To wrap up, remember these key points. The power set contains all possible subsets. We can generate them by simply counting from 0 to 2 to the n-1. A set bit means include, and an unset bit means exclude. This approach is very efficient and clean for small input sizes, typically where n is less than or equal to 20.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.